Well, welcome back to my channel, YouTube. Today I have the air compressor, 21 gallons, the one I just got back, used my warranty on, and I just got done pouring the oil in, the one that came with it. I'm gonna do the break-in procedures, and one thing I noticed about the new 21 gallon tank, it comes with better wheels. Before it had that cheap one. This is rubber. It's not the hard plastic. That's the only improvement I see so far. It still comes with the cheap air filter. Still comes with the cheap air filter. And one thing I noticed about this air compressor is everywhere you look, it has add oil, add oil, add oil, even to the outlet, even to where you put the oil in. It says add oil, add oil. I mean, I don't know how many stickers I've removed. It says add oil, add oil. I guess a lot of people just don't add the oil when they purchase it, and that's probably why they get a lot of returns. It comes in very different languages also, and I mean, there, there, there. I mean, I tore off a lot of stickers off of it. Well, I'll pause here for a minute and I'm going to start up the air compressor. Well, I'm ready to turn on the air compressor. I'm going to start it right about now. That it's not that loud. It's loud, 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Well, that's how long it took to air up the very first time I started this baby up. Oh, this tank up here is really hot. I can feel the heat. It's hot right here. It's freaking hot. Yeah, it's hot. It's bearable by touching it, but you know, it's hot. Oh, freaking that shit's hot right there. Oh man, that's hot. That's hot. No, that's not hot. The oil. Oh, the engine head's hot. Well, there you have it. I'm gonna start the process of breaking in. I'm gonna drain the oil several times over and over and over and over and over and let it run and run and run. So that's my breaking procedure. I seen it on two guys' YouTube video. I watched their video, and I go by their breaking procedures. I did it on my own one also. It came out pretty good. So, well, good day there, YouTube. Thank you for coming to my channel.